So you can use Snappies with Prefolds, fitteds, pre-fitteds, pretty much any type of diaper that doesn't have its own closure system. Now I've got some flats and some Prefolds here that I'm going to show you how to use them with. The Snappi can be used on any type of material that it can sink its teeth into. It literally just takes those teeth and grabs right onto that fabric. Now, the Snappi has a safety feature. This little plastic loop here, it will flip right over and it'll grab those teeth so that you can't snag your finger, so that if baby grabs it, it's not going to injure itself. The teeth are really sharp. So when it's not in use, you definitely want to flip all of those over and protect yourself. And then when you're getting ready to use it, make sure you get that ready ahead of time. And I'm going to show you how to use these. I don't have any babies here today, but I'll show you how to use these here with this guy. Lay your pre-fold flat and you're going to fold it into thirds. After you have the thirds, fan out the back, and this is where baby's bottom is going to be placed. Then you will bring the front up between their legs, and if it's too long, fold down the front. Then you will fan out the sides. This will work like tabs, and you're going to bring the back tabs across the front, hook the Snappi on whichever side you like, and then stretch it across to the other side. Then take the front of the Snappi, stretch it down between the legs, and fasten there. That's going to pull the entire pre-fold together and keep it nice and tight. Slide the cover underneath baby, bring it up between the legs, and fasten the sides as you see here. Next, take a finger and make sure that the extra fabric is folded up underneath the closure snaps, and check the legs to make sure everything is tucked in, there's no pre-fold sticking out, and the pre-fold is tucked underneath that elastic at the top of the cover. Next is the flat. Take the flat, completely lay it out. You're not going to be able to see everything here, I apologize, but I'm taking the bottom, I'm folding it up, and I have folded it in half. Now I am going to take it and fold it in half again. It is a square. Now take the upper left corner and stretch it out, and it's going to make a triangle and come to a point. Now I'm going to take the upper left corner and flip this over, and it's exactly the same except for the bottom is now on the top here. I'm going to take the right side and I'm going to fold it over like it is a pre-fold, and I have tri-folded that into a pad in the center. Put the baby back on here. I'm going to scoot it down a little bit here. It's a little high. And then I'm going to fold up the center. It's a little long, so I'm going to tuck that in half. Bring the side over, fold that in, bring the other side over, and I'm going to tuck that around the top. Grab my Snappi and hook that onto the side there. Stretch it over, grab the other side, stretch it down, grab the bottom, and bring my cover over here. Wrap that underneath, bring it up through the center, and fasten my sides. After I'm done, I'm going to tuck everything in, make sure there's no flat sticking out everywhere, tuck up that center rise,